Today I'm going to double your vocabulary with concept. That presupposes that you have a vocabulary to double in the first place. So there are some prerequisites. The first and most important one is the 5-lesson foundational series that you should have gone through when you first joined the site. The second prerequisite is the first 6 or 7 lessons in the Concepts for Basic Improvising series that I've been giving away in these newsletters. So you need to have gone through that. Those would include the minor pentatonic scales, boxes, adding the fifth to boxes, shifting patterns, passing tones, that kind of thing. It's all minor pentatonic scale based soloing material. So the concept is that any minor pentatonic pattern is also a major pentatonic pattern. If we take a minor pentatonic in the key of A, that should be a very familiar pattern. We've known that as an A minor pentatonic. That's the root note. If we say the note that's under my pinky, the note that my pinky is playing, if we say that that's a root, then this becomes a major pentatonic in this key, which is C. So the A minor and the C major have the same notes. Everything applies. Boxes, passing tones, shifts, whatever you've learned in terms of minor pentatonic is also major pentatonic. The theory of this can be explained as follows. If I take a C major scale, the minor, the relative minor of that C major is based on the 6th note of the scale. That would be an A. So C major and A minor are relative. It's spoken of as A is the relative minor of C and C is the relative major of A. They're relative keys, they're related, they have the same notes in their scale. So the A minor scale, even the A minor scale in the regular natural minor scale, is the same thing as a C major. You just start from a different note on the scale. You just shift the numbers under the scale degrees. So that's the theory of it. The relative minor is 6 of the major. On the guitar, and the way this plays out, the best way to think about this, the most guitar friendly way, is that the major pentatonic and the minor pentatonic are a minor third apart. If I start with the 8th note of the scale and I count down to the 6th note, 8, 7, 6, that's a minor third. C to A is a minor third. Relating it to a pattern that you already know, this minor pentatonic pattern, the index finger is playing the minor root and the pinky is playing the major root. So this is A, this is C. So A minor and C major are the same thing. Now the way to use this on a guitar, the most guitar friendly way to think about this, in my opinion, is if I'm playing an A minor pentatonic and I want to make it an A major pentatonic, I shift everything down 3 frets, so that my pinky is on the root instead of my index. This, and then I play the same pattern. That's A major. That's A minor. So any minor pattern moved 3 frets down becomes major from the same root. So if you're playing a shuffle in A, that's ambiguous. It's neither minor nor major. It depends on what you play over it or sing. So if I'm playing an A minor box and I want to make it an A major box, I just move it 3 frets down and play the same thing, and it's major. The root in the minor box is right there. The root in the major box is right there. So the root is in a different place in the box, in the major, than it is in the minor. Just listen. You'll hear that it's home, and create phrases accordingly. So any minor lick, move 3 frets down, becomes major in the same key. That is a beautiful thing, because you don't have to learn a new scale pattern to play major pentatonic scales. All you have to do is take your minor patterns and move them 3 frets down and do the same thing. It's the mechanics that take all the time and the repetition, learning the new patterns, learning the new scales. You don't have to do that with this concept. You just move your minor 3 frets down. You've already done the mechanical work, the technique work on this, and so you just doubled your vocabulary with the concept. It's a beautiful thing. Now I'm going to demonstrate how this concept can be used. I'm going to do it over a very basic 12-bar blues shuffle that I've got programmed into my looper here. I'm going to play over 2 choruses. The first chorus will be all major, A major pentatonic. The second chorus will be A major pentatonic and minor pentatonic mixed up together. So I'm only going to use one position for each scale. The major pentatonic will be at the 2nd fret. So it's A. So the box is right there. The minor pentatonic will be in this position. So the box is right there. Major box is the minor box moved 3 frets down. So minor, major. All right. First chorus major, second chorus both.